Hello everybody, welcome back to Beauty for the Win. Today I am doing another DIY. This will be a coffee body scrub that you can do at home. It is so simple. This is great for exfoliating your whole body as well as getting rid of dead skin cells. For this recipe you are going to need ground coffee, sea salt. You can use coarse, but I find that the fine sea salt is the best. Then you're going to need an oil of some type, olive oil, coconut oil, or in my case, hemp oil. And this is optional. This is vanilla extract. This gives it a really nice scent. You could also use orange extract. There's tons of extracts that you could use to really enhance the smell of your body scrub. So let's get started. We're going to measure half a cup of ground coffee into our container. Then you want a half a cup of your sea salt. So now we're going to stir this together, mix it all up. Pretty mixed together now, so we're going to add our oil. 3 tablespoons of oil. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. It smells really good. Okay. Now you want to mix all of this together really well. So there we go. Your very own coffee body scrub.